Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. This is me wearing bubble gown, a 2-in-1 bubble gown I sewed. I want to share with you how I achieved this beautiful gown. This is the long sleeve part. You can have it in short sleeve, as you can see me wearing that. I have an OBI belt that I use to wear the short sleeve one. It's a Japanese inspired belt. I have a tutorial for that. If you're interested, get to it. Then here you can see the French shoulder side. I just have to give it a touch of design. This is a very interesting bubble gown that every sizes can wear that. If it's something you're interested in, please join me and let's achieve this beautiful gown. Let's go. Here, I double folded my fabric to make it 4 pieces. I put my half of my shoulder measurement of 8 inches, like here. And when I'm done with that, 2.5 inches for neck and 7.5 inches for front neck depth is a V shape connected there. And where my shoulder stopped, I have to input the armhole for the short sleeve part. 8.5 inches is my armhole. Now I have to come down half of it, 0.5 inches, and connect it like so. Kind of give it a curve at that point. I'm sorry my hand covers some part of it. You can use a free hand and do that. And when we're done with that, this is the sleeve that will stay at the shoulder region, okay? The second sleeve, which is the long sleeve part, I measure from my center back, place the tape, then the measurement is 32 inches. That is what I'm showing you right now. I put it there. That's the long sleeve I'm using for this. Then later, I have to mark it there and use my ruler to rule it out. Then after connecting that like so, you see me doing, 5.5 inches is my sleeve opening for the long sleeve part. Connect it like so. Use my ruler. After connecting that, can slant it to the hem part. So this is how I'm going to do that. I'm using 60 inches for the length of this gown. Getting to the hem part, 19 inches is the width I'm using for easy movement. Like I said, after putting up that, I have to slant it to the toe to meet the long sleeve part. And that's how this gown is. Very simple gown to make. You can do that. Very easy to make, okay? After connecting that, use my pin to hold it very well so that it cannot move. Just a lycra fabric. Head and cut. Here at the long sleeve part, I notch that side. Then have to cut the 1 inch for the back neck depth. Then now when I'm done with that, I go ahead and you can see how it is where I measure my shoulder. There is the sleeve part. I have to cut that side as well. Then when I'm done with it, I go ahead and cut the 7.5 inches for the front neck depth. This is the sleeve at the shoulder region, the short one. And let me quickly show you the long part. Here is the long side one. Let me open it up. You see, here's the front side, the back side, the short sleeve at the shoulder region. Then here is the long sleeve part. When we're done with that, I have to go ahead and prepare the strap that I'm going to use to pipe round the neck region. I can also use that strap to pipe the short sleeve part as well. Then getting to the long sleeve part, all you need to do is just to join the two sides together and hem that part. You don't need to pipe it, okay? Then another thing came up, and you want to design this. All this channel is all about designing. I always like to design. So this is the fringe that I decide to cut it into two parts. Cut into two parts and place one at the right side of the shoulder and the other one to the other side as well, just to design it. So when I wear it as a short sleeve, it will appear at my shoulder region. When I wear it as a long sleeve, it will appear neatly. So let's move over to this. I've gone ahead and piped the round neck side and added the fringe. As you can see me, I'm showing you, and everything is neatly sewed. Then I've gone ahead and stitched the the two sides together and then hem the long sleeve part, as you can see me showing you, and hem the down part of it. But another thing I want to share with you, I use the masking tape, place it under the presser foot to help me to sew this, because this is lycra fabric, kind of stretch a lot. It's a lycra fabric. If you have watched these points, I have to thank you so much, more especially my returning subscribers. If it's your first time of coming across my channel, consider subscribing. Still making handmade. Bye bye.